नमो नमः सर्वे. सरल संस्कृते तव सुस्वागतम्. वेल्कम् टु सरल संस्कृत. अद्य वयं सर्वे तृतीयः पाठः स्वराणाम् उच्चारणं द्वितीयः विभागः इति पठामः. Today we are learning chapter 3 Pronunciation of Vowels part 3. In part 1 of this series we learned the pronunciation of the swaraha a to ru. Here we shall take a look at the pronunciation of the remaining swaraha. If you haven't seen the first part yet, the link to that video is given in the description below. To pronounce lru, remember the position and the constriction that was done for the pronunciation of ru. You will constrict your vocal cavity with the help of your tongue. Now make this constriction slightly ahead in your mouth, with your tongue touching just behind the upper row of teeth. Now pronounce lru. Again, lru. You will notice that your tongue hits the upper row of teeth. Hence, the pronunciation of lru is from the danta or the teeth. Now, let's learn the pronunciation of the sanyukta swaraha. Remember the position of a and e. A is pronounced from the kantha, voice box, and e is pronounced from the talu, soft palate. Now, try and make a vocal formation which is in between these two. A mixture of both these sounds comes out as a. Again, a. Now, try the same thing, but this time do it slower, producing both a and e, one after another. E, e. We get I. So, the pronunciation of a and I is from kantha, that is voice box, and talu, that is the soft palate. Now, let's do the same process with the sounds of a and u. A is pronounced from the kantha, that is voice box, and u is pronounced from the oshtha or the lips. Remember the positions of a and u, and now make a formation midway between a and u. The natural sound that comes out is o. Again, o. Now do the same thing, but this time slower, pronouncing both a and u one after another. We get au. Again, au. The pronunciation of o and au is done by using kantha, that is the voice box, and oshtha, that is the lips. To pronounce open the mouth and utter a and immediately close the mouth. When you pronounce you feel the vibrations around the nasal cavity. Hence, the pronunciation of is from your kantha, your tongue, and near your nasal cavity. To pronounce say a and expel the air out. Again, The pronunciation is from the kantha. Now, let's understand the pattern of sounds. In Sanskrit, the sounds are arranged in an outward order. A starts at the back of the mouth, that is from the kantha or the voice box. With E, Ru, U, A, I, O, Au, and the voice slowly travels outward along the vocal cavity. Kantha means the voice box, Talu is the soft palate, Murdha is the hard palate, Danta are the teeth, Oshtha is the lip, and Nasika is the nasal cavity. Punah milamaha. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you.